Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to use App Store search suggestions. Let's open App Store on your device and you want to go to search icon, which is searching tab. And in the searching bar, you want to start entering your search term. So let me enter, for example, photo editor. And as you type, related keywords and application names will appear below. So you need to tap on one of these to instantly search for that specific suggestion or the category or application name, and you can review the results. And additionally, at the top you can see you can use those filters to narrow your search even more. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.